Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of nutrition hacks for a healthy gut, leaky gut, and the importance of probiotics. Our gut health is crucial to our overall well-being, affecting everything from digestion to immunity and mental health. Understanding how to support our gut can optimize our health and vitality. Firstly, let's discuss the significance of gut health in maintaining overall well-being. The gut is often called our second brain, due to its complex network of neurons and its vital role in regulating our immune system. A healthy gut is essential for proper digestion, nutrient absorption, and mood regulation. When our gut is out of balance, it can lead to various health issues, from digestive problems to autoimmune conditions. Leaky gut syndrome is one common issue that can arise from an imbalanced gut. A leaky gut occurs when the lining of the intestines becomes permeable, allowing toxins, bacteria, and undigested food particles to leak into the bloodstream. This can trigger inflammation throughout the body and contribute to various health issues, including allergies, autoimmune diseases, and digestive disorders. Fortunately, one decisive way to support our gut health is through probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that help to maintain a healthy balance of microorganisms in the gut. By consuming probiotic-rich foods or supplements, we can support the growth of good bacteria, improve digestion, and strengthen our immune system. Stay tuned as we explore more nutrition hacks for a healthy gut and delve deeper into the world of probiotics. Let's delve into the intricate world of gut health and uncover its profound significance in our bodies. The gut microbiome, a diverse community of trillions of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms residing in our digestive tract, plays a pivotal role in digestion and immunity. These tiny inhabitants help break down food, absorb nutrients, and communicate with our immune system to defend against harmful pathogens. When the delicate balance of good and bad bacteria in the gut is disrupted, it can lead to digestive issues, inflammation, and a weakened immune system. So how can we promote gut health through diet and lifestyle changes? One key strategy is incorporating fiber-rich foods into our diet, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Fiber acts as fuel for beneficial gut bacteria, helping them thrive and maintain a healthy balance in the microbiome. Additionally, consuming fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi can introduce beneficial probiotics into our gut, further supporting digestive health. Incorporating prebiotic-rich foods, such as garlic, onions, leeks, and bananas, can also help feed the healthy bacteria in our gut. Furthermore, reducing stress levels, getting adequate sleep, staying hydrated, and engaging in regular physical activity can all contribute to a healthy gut environment. We can optimize our overall well-being and vitality by prioritizing gut health through mindful dietary choices and lifestyle habits. Leaky gut syndrome, also known as increased intestinal permeability, is a condition where the lining of the intestines becomes compromised, allowing harmful substances to leak into the bloodstream. Recognizing the symptoms of a leaky gut is crucial for early detection and intervention. Common symptoms may include chronic digestive issues like bloating, gas, diarrhea, or constipation, as well as food sensitivities, fatigue, skin problems, and even mood disorders. Several factors can contribute to the development of a leaky gut, including a diet high in processed foods, sugar and artificial additives, chronic stress, excessive alcohol consumption, prolonged use of antibiotics and certain medications like non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs. These factors can disrupt the delicate balance of the gut microbiome and compromise the integrity of the intestinal barrier. Untreated leaky gut can have far-reaching health consequences, as the leakage of toxins, undigested food particles, and bacteria into the bloodstream can trigger systemic inflammation and immune responses. Managing and healing a leaky gut involves addressing the root causes and supporting gut health through nutrition and supplements. Adopting an anti-inflammatory diet rich in whole foods, fiber, healthy fats, and lean proteins can help reduce gut inflammation and promote healing. Incorporating gut-healing foods like bone broth, collagen, fermented foods, and omega-3 fatty acids can also support gut repair and restore balance to the microbiome. Additionally, certain supplements like probiotics, digestive enzymes, glutamine, and zinc may aid in repairing the intestinal lining and promoting gut health. Let's explore the fascinating world of probiotics and uncover their profound impact on gut health and overall well-being. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria crucial in supporting digestive health and boosting immune function. One of the key benefits of probiotics is their ability to promote digestive health by aiding in the breakdown of food, enhancing nutrient absorption, and supporting a healthy gut microbiome. Additionally, Probiotics have been shown to help alleviate symptoms of digestive disorders, such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, and diarrhea. Probiotics can be found in a variety of sources, including fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha. Additionally, probiotic supplements are available in various forms, such as capsules, powders, and liquids, offering a convenient way to boost your probiotic intake. Different probiotic strains have unique benefits, so choosing the suitable strains can help target specific health concerns. For example, Lactobacillus acidophilus and Bifidobacterium lactis are commonly used for digestive health, while Lactobacillus rhamnosus and Saccharomyces boulardii may benefit immune support. Consulting with a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian can help you determine the most suitable probiotic strains for your needs. By incorporating probiotic-rich foods and supplements into your daily routine and selecting the appropriate strains for your health goals, you can harness the power of probiotics to support your gut health and enhance your overall well-being. Let's explore some simple yet effective strategies to nourish your gut and enhance the diversity of beneficial bacteria. One of the vital nutrition hacks for a healthy gut is to include gut-friendly foods rich in fiber, prebiotics, and antioxidants. Fiber-rich foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts fuel the beneficial bacteria in your gut, promoting regularity and supporting digestive health. Prebiotic-rich foods like garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, and bananas help feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut, encouraging their growth and diversity. Antioxidant-rich foods such as berries, leafy greens, nuts, and seeds can help reduce inflammation and protect the gut lining. Consider incorporating recipes or meal ideas that prioritize gut-friendly ingredients to enhance your gut health further. Try adding fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, or miso to your meals to introduce beneficial probiotics into your diet. Experiment with colorful salads, vegetable stir-fries, smoothie bowls, and grain bowls, packed with nutrient-dense ingredients to promote gut diversity and nourishment. In addition to food choices, pay attention to the importance of hydration and stress management for gut health. When it comes to maintaining optimal gut health, a comprehensive approach that combines targeted supplements and healthy lifestyle habits can significantly impact the well-being of your digestive system. Digestive enzymes, such as amylase, protease, and lipase, can help break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, improving nutrient absorption and reducing digestive discomfort. L-glutamine, an amino acid, supports gut lining integrity and promotes healing in conditions like leaky gut syndrome. Regular exercise can help promote healthy digestion by stimulating bowel movements, reducing bloating, and supporting overall gut motility. Quality sleep is essential for gut health, as it allows the body to repair and regenerate cells, including those in the digestive tract. Furthermore, it's essential to recognize the strong connection between mental health and gut health. The gut-brain axis, a bidirectional communication system between the gut and the brain, highlights the influence of mental well-being on digestive function. Practicing stress-reducing techniques, seeking mental health support when needed, and prioritizing self-care can contribute to a healthier gut environment. By incorporating targeted supplements like digestive enzymes and L-glutamine, adopting lifestyle tips such as regular exercise and quality sleep, and recognizing the interconnectedness of mental health and gut health, you can take proactive steps to support your gut microbiome and enhance your overall well-being. As we wrap up our exploration of gut health and the strategies to support a thriving gut microbiome, reflecting on the key points discussed and empowering you to act. In fact, digestive wellness is essential. Your gut health is intricately connected to your overall well-being, influencing everything from digestion to immunity and mental health. Understanding the importance of maintaining a healthy gut is the first step toward optimizing your health. We've delved into the impact of leaky gut syndrome on overall well-being, emphasizing the importance of a balanced gut microbiome in promoting digestive health and immune function. By incorporating probiotics and nutrition hacks into your daily routine, you can nourish your gut with beneficial bacteria, fiber-rich foods, and antioxidants, supporting optimal gut function and diversity. I encourage you to take proactive steps toward improving your gut health by incorporating probiotic-rich foods, gut-friendly recipes, and targeted supplements into your diet. By prioritizing gut health through mindful dietary choices, lifestyle habits, and stress management techniques, you can create a supportive environment for your gut microbiome to thrive. If you find this information valuable and are eager to learn more gut health tips and strategies, consider subscribing to our channel for regular updates and insights. Remember to share this video with friends and family who may benefit from enhancing their gut health. Let's embark on a journey towards better digestive wellness and overall vitality together. Thank you for joining us, and here's to a healthier gut and a happier you.